I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening an Amazon Associates account and completing your profile now. Enter your website or social handle, payment, and tax details so payment's clear. Once done, pick a focused niche and list 10 products you can promote immediately. These become your testing ground. Make sure to create concise content plans tied to each product review, comparison, and how to post. This gets you past setup and into real promotional work without delay. You now create tracking ID per channel so you can measure which traffic converts. Generate tagged affiliate links for blog, email, and social. Next, produce high-value content, an in-depth review, a buying guide, and a demo video for top products. Vary formats so you reach different audiences. Make sure to optimize each piece for search with focused keywords, clear product specs, and internal links that route readers to related posts. This increases click-through and conversion rates steadily. You launch campaigns and watch metrics daily: clicks, conversion rate, and earnings per link. Analyze which tracking ID performs best. Once you see patterns, /B test titles, call to action phrasing, and link placement to squeeze more conversions. Make sure to check Amazon notifications for content policy violations or tax holds. If links break, recreate them in the Associates dashboard and replace immediately. If conversions stall, revisit niche product fit and refresh content or creatives to regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.